Okay guys, this is called House of the Roseiras. Anda! Queres ficar aqui à espera? Espera aí, espera aqui, anda. Espera aqui. Olha, senta-te aqui na sombrinha. Tá? So it's a nice place. It's called House of the Spike. Oh, there's a river. Oh, you're gonna like it. E senta, anda a ver isto. Olha que bonito. Olha ali o rio. So this looks like a very nice house. I don't know why they don't use it. There's another big garden here.
Eu não vi.
Ai, que giro. Very nice place. Guys, look at the view of the river. Amazing. This house, if it was on the market, it would be... Freaking amazing, guys. Look at the view of the river. Ai, que quase.
Ai, tô ouvindo uma coisa. Aquilo é o...
The big boats.
É o bar.
Awesome. Now I'll finish up with this waterfall here. My wife just been here with the children, and she refreshed herself. It's not very cold. It's good. No coins here for me. Nobody threw coins here. I can collect them. Bless you, people.